Good afternoon, my name is Paul Selking and I'm here with Regal and I represent the Gentech side of our business, and particularly I'm the HVAC business leader leading the team that's developing our next generation of products. Today we're excited to share with you information about our DEC product, and there's 4 things I really want to share with you. One is that this product has a really high efficiency that it brings to the end user. Part of that's because right here, we would normally have an electric motor blocking the entryway. So now, both sides are free for air to come in freely to them and increase the efficiency and therefore reduce the system cost for our customers. We're seeing anywhere from 15 to 20% CFM, cubic feet per minute airflow improvement in the customer's application. The second thing is, by providing this entire blower housing, it saves our customers time and money. Instead of them having to assemble all these pieces up in their factory, we can now provide it as one calibrated system to them, saving them time and money. Thirdly, this size and the power density that this motor in the center provides, it allows us and allows our customers to reduce the size and weight of their system. We're seeing anywhere from 5 to 10 pounds of weight being taken out of their system because of the power density of this. And then fourth and last, but certainly not least, is that this product adapts and will allow us to upgrade next generation improvements. So we have several next generation ideas that we're going to grow off of this DEC product line, both in the size of housings of the blower and in some of the airflow treatments that we use in the blowers and the wheels. And those are all items that our customers will take advantage of in the future and make up the 4 main advantages that our customers have with the DEC product line.